Hey everyone, this video is going to cover downloading an existing Statamic site. So this is handy to remember if you've got a new machine or installed a new operating system and you need to download the repo and get things going again. The first thing I'm going to do is clone the site. So I'm using the source tree to do this, and I'm going to clone it into my sites folder. The next thing I'm going to do is rename this to just be the domain name without any extension. Just makes it a bit easier to work with Valet. And then I'm going to copy, go to terminal and say change directory to that, Valet link, then Valet secure. Let's just check Valet links. Okay, so the URL is in place. So this is where it falls down. If you just expect it to work, then you're in for a surprise. What we need to do now is composer update. What this does is just make sure everything's up to date, all the dependencies are up to date. Once that's done, composer install. Now what we need to do is make sure that we have an environment file. So if I reveal hidden files, on Mac that's Command, Shift and full stop. Duplicate the environment file and just call it .env. That should give us our configuration file. Now I'm going to type php artisan key generate, and remember all these commands are in the article. Okay, you can do these all at once, so I've just pasted them in here and you can see it sort of put them on different lines. Okay, let's try again. And here we have it, everything's up and running, and we can try going to the control panel. This is working great as well. Easy when you know how, baffling when you don't.